Have you heard of Rejuvaus skincare? After nearly 10 years in development by Dr. Gary Cussell, this range is next level. With up to 10 times more active ingredients than other premium brands, it's like professional formulas without the prescription. The philosophy is simple. Incredible ingredients make incredible results. We're talking up to 33 of the highest grade actives. No artificial anything needed. A little goes a long way with these concentrated microdoses. Rejuvaus can target just about any skin concern. Anti-aging, acne, pigmentation, you name it. The simple airless pump makes the application breezy. No messy droppers or complicated routines, just smooth, nourished skin. If you're ready for the complexion of your life, head to Rejuvaus to shop or learn more. I'm obsessed with how glowy and renewed my skin looks. Join me in trying Rejuvaus today and have a fabulous day.